Okay, folks, super handy makes all kinds of cool super handy stuff. That's why they have that name, super handy, because they make you just got to check out super handy. Trust me on this. All right, today I have their wood chipper, and I need to add some oil to it because it has your warnings down there. Hey, just a reminder, we don't have oil in here yet, and of course fuel. So it has a just a connector switch here. Just like it would on your standard tillers and all that stuff. It has a basic operation of a tiller. Except we're going to be wood chipping. And most of the stuff that you have to put together on this thing, it's just the motor is separate. And then you just put this box on. This part here is on, but you put the spout and the box that it all goes in. And then you put the wheels on and the stand. And it takes like 5 minutes. It's not a big deal. So I got to get this thing oiled up and gassed up. And then we get to go see how much damage it can do. I think it's 3-inch. It's a 3-inch chipper. So you wouldn't want to go much more than that. 3 inches. You know what I mean? You put anything too big, and you can pretty much tell from down here looking at the spout. Hey, if you put anything bigger than that, it's not going to go in there, and it's not going to get chipped. You're just going to jam it up and cause problems. So you don't want to do that. So, yep, like I said, I'm going to get it started. Small sticks. There you go. Keep it nice and simple. There you go. It's pretty simple. I mean, anything larger than 3 inches, it's gonna buck, so you just got to be careful with that. Something this size here, pretty good size. It'll buck around for a little bit. It's a pretty good little wood chipper. Look at that. I mean, that is just nice. All thanks to this thing here. And you could think about it just lining your trees or whatever you need to do with that. That's cool. That is perfect right there. I just got to put this stuff around trees. Well, please share a lot. God bless. Take care.